Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The 8-hour workday was adopted so people could evenly divide the 24 hours in a day. 8 hours labor, 8 hours recreation, 8 hours rest. Bears have excellent problem solving skills and can learn from experience. Be your own best friend because people are not constant, but you will always have yourself. Your weight is typically at its highest point on Monday mornings. Military dogs can jump alone equipped with their own parachutes or in tandem with their trainers to provide support and aid to stranded soldiers. An object that only exists in 4D in 4 dimensions, the neck of the bottle penetrates into the body without even touching it. Sony's 2005 ad featured 250,000 colorful balls bouncing through the streets of San Francisco to advertise their new TV. The colorful balls are still being found today. The burst of light from a nearby star falling into a supermassive black hole captured. This process is called spaghettification. The Dutch police once arrested a bird for taking part in a robbery, put it in jail cell with bread and water, and when the media reported on it, they put a little black bar over the face to protect its identity. Android's famous logo was introduced not from major companies or authorities, but from public toilets. Image of a tiger hugging tree wins 2020 Wildlife Photographer Award for Sergey left a hidden camera in a Russian forest for over 11 months to capture the big cat. Freeze your bananas for a creamy, healthy dessert. Orangutan gained fame in the 1960s for escaping the Omaha Zoo using a hidden handmade key which he hid in his mouth. The amount of water beneath our ground soil is 50 times as much as all the water in the rivers and lakes combined. Elephants are evolving to be tuskless due to decades of poaching. Usually less than 4% of female elephants are born without tusks. However, there are currently elephant population in which 98% of females are born without tusks. You can swim through syrup just as quickly as you can swim through water, even though it's much thicker. Avoid blending berries for too long, they oxidize quickly. Your right hand has never touched your right elbow and your left elbow hand has never touched your left elbow unless you have unique joints. Not only in the USA, the third most populated country in the world, but if it had 1 billion more people, it would still be the third most populated country in the world. The world's smallest winged insect, the Tanzanian parasitic wasp, is smaller than the eye of a housefly. The German word Treppenwitz refers to the feeling one gets when they think of a witty comeback or remark long after the moment has passed. This is not an unripe berry, it's a caterpillar. Before whistles were introduced, hockey referees used a cowbell. They had to switch to whistles when fans started bringing their own cowbells to disrupt gameplay. Whistles were rare for rural Ontario at the time. Bringing a whistle to a modern game, any sport, will get you kicked out real fast. Pala's cat and Hoppo caught in a single frame. On October 24, 1975, 90% of Iceland's female population went on strike demanding equal rights. They did not work, do housework, or look after their kids for an entire day. In 1980, Iceland elected its first female president. Guam's jungles have as many as 40 times the amount of spiders as nearby islands due to a lack of forest birds. Tenzing Norgay on the summit of Mount Everest, the first confirmed climber to reach the summit along with Sir Edmund. Short-eared owl lets out a powerful territorial call. There are individuals actively advocating against cochlear implant surgery. They consider the possibility of curing deafness a form of ethnic genocide, as such as an event would lead to the destruction of a unique population of people with a linguistic culture onto themselves. Mud flies as an elephant baits for protection. Blind since infancy, Steve Wonder mastered multiple instruments including piano, harmonica and drums all before reaching adolescence. American marten among trees on a cold morning. Most expensive street foods in India. India's costliest street foods you must try. Lobster roll rupees 3000. Zafrani chai 500 rupees per cup. Gold plated vada pav rupees 2000. Japanese melon bun 450 per piece. Truffle kulfi 1200 rupees per piece. Gold plated pani puri 1000 per plate. Thanks for watching.